Hi, I'm Van Darden of Van's Brimming Hair, House of Beautiful Hair. How are you today? Well, I'm inviting you to come to our corporate opportunity call. This at 8 p.m. tonight. That number is 661-673-8600. The PIN number is 780025#. If you're looking for an awesome opportunity to make money right now today, come listen to our call and learn how to make $60,000 in 90 days. We will show you how to do that. We will encourage you. A great team support here at House of Beautiful Hair. Just awesome. I'm just excited. I'm excited just telling you to come, to invite you to come to our call. The calls have been extremely exciting, great testimonies. So I invite you again to come out tonight to our corporate opportunity call. That's at 8 p.m. The number is 661-673-8600. The PIN number is 780025#. So come on out and take a look at our awesome opportunity. And as a special to let you know, we are launching in Atlanta. Yes, Atlanta, here we come. House of Beautiful Hair, and I just cannot wait to get to Atlanta. So come on in and join us now to become part of this groundbreaking opportunity. House of Beautiful Hair is going to be a household name. We have the most exclusive hair weave there is. So come try hair weave for yourself and give a review. But come listen to the call tonight at 8 p.m. 661-673-8600. The PIN number is 780025#. And I'll hear you on the call. Again, my name is Van Darden. See you later.